The waterfall's down there. Can't. Yeah, I can see it over the. Just the. Probably half of it. I got it on the tripod. This is zoomed as far as it'll zoom, so we'll see how this turns out. This is as close as I've ever been to this waterfall. I'll try to get a little closer though. Getting down to it looks to be pretty impossible. Well, I think this is as close as I'm going to get to it. I'm guessing it's about, I don't know, 50, 60 feet away, something like that. Sure is a nice waterfall. Well, I lied. What I thought was a steep drop-off is only a few feet down, so I'm safe here. So the question is, can I get down there to the bottom there, which is, I don't know, 6 or 7 feet down? Well, I know I can get down. It's going to get back up. Well, this is it. This is that waterfall I've only seen from a distance, and now finally I've gotten to. Comes down here, flows just a little that way, and then seems to go back underground. But it's really nice. Just a few feet of heavy bushwhacking at the end to get to it. So the waterfall comes down there, then runs down here just a little ways, and then through there seems to go back underground.